Hi children, welcome to Patashala. Today we are going to learn sets part 3 about types of sets. We can divide the sets into 6 types. They are null set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, universal set and disjoint set. Now let us learn about these individually. Number 1. Null set. A set is said to be null set if it contains no elements. Null set is also known as empty set or void set. Empty itself means nothing is present. Generally, null set represents using the symbol pi. Now, to learn some examples, let us jump into exercise 2.4. Number 1. State which of the following sets are empty and which are not. Number 1. Set of lines passing through a given point. Through any given point, we can draw infinity lines. Therefore, it is not an empty set. Second one, set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Here, odd number means which leaves remainder 1 when divided by 2. Therefore, no odd number is divisible by 2. Therefore, it is an empty set. Third one, set of x such that x is a natural number, x less than 5 and x greater than 7. Natural numbers less than 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural numbers greater than 7 are 8, 9, 10, 11, etc. Therefore, no number satisfies both the conditions at the same time. Therefore, it is an empty set. Fourth one, x such that x is a common point to any two parallel lines. Two lines are said to be parallel lines if there is no common point. Therefore, given set is an empty set. Fifth one, set of even prime numbers. 2 is an even number as well as prime number. Therefore, the set contains at least one element 2. Therefore, it is not an empty set. Next, singleton set. A set is said to be singleton set if it contains only one element. Example, set of even prime numbers that equal to set of 2. Next, third and fourth one, finite and infinite sets. A set is said to be finite if its elements are countable. In reverse, a set is said to be infinite if it contains infinite elements. Now, let us jump into exercise 2.4. State whether the following sets are finite or infinite sets. Number 1. The set of months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Therefore, it is a finite set. Second one. The set of prime numbers smaller than 99. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. are primes. We can count and say how many elements are present in the set since asking only less than 99 primes. Therefore, it is a finite set. Third one, set of 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 100. There are 100 elements in the set. Therefore, it is a finite set. Fourth one, the set of letters in the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Therefore, it is a finite set. Fifth one. The set of lines that can be drawn parallel to the x-axis. We can draw number of parallel lines to the x-axis. That means infinite parallel lines we can draw to the x-axis. Therefore, it is an infinite set. Sixth one. The set of numbers which are multiples of 5. 5 multiples are 5, 10, 15, etc. There is no end for the 5 multiples. Therefore, it is an infinite set. Seventh one. The set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. We can draw number of circles through a point. Therefore, it is an infinite set. Next, cardinal number. The number of elements in a finite set is called the cardinal number. Cardinal number of A is denoted as n of A. For example, if A equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, then number of A equal to 4 since A contains only 4 elements. If B equal to empty set, then n of B equal to 0 since B contains no element. Next, fifth one, universal set. The set which contains all the elements is said to be universal set, and it is denoted by the symbol mu or capital U. Next, disjoint sets. The sets are said to be disjoint sets if there are no common elements between them. Let us jump into exercise 2.2. Seventh one. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. Number 1. Set of 2, 3, 4, 5 and set of 5, 6 are disjoint sets. Here 3 is the common element between the sets. Therefore, they are not disjoint sets. Therefore, the statement is false. Second one. A, E, I, O, U and set of A, B, C, D are disjoint sets. Here, A is the common element between the sets. Therefore, they are not disjoint sets. Therefore, above statement is false. Next, third one. Set of 2, 6, 10, 14 and set of 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint sets. There are no common elements between both the sets. Therefore, they are disjoint sets. Therefore, above statement is true. Fourth one. Set of 2, 6, 10 and set of 3, 7, 11 are disjoint sets. There are no common elements between the two sets. Therefore, they are disjoint sets. Therefore, above statement is true. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.